Eukaryotic mRNA gene consists of enhancers, promoter, TATA Box, exons and introns. As we show, promoter plus TATA Box have 300 base pairs, while TATA Box have only 30 base pairs. From the 300 base pairs, continuously, the typical promoter region in eukaryotic gene consists of 3 regions. The first region, located in -35, and have nucleotides T, T, G, A, C, A, while the second region, located in -10, and have nucleotides T, A, T, A, A, T, so it called TATA Box, whereas the third region started with nucleotides A, G, so this region consider the start region of RNA regulation.